back to my channel. It's me again, Radovero. So, as you can see, matagal na naman ako hindi nakagawa ng video. But today's video, I am going to share to you guys. And for today's video, gagawa tayo ng back to school makeup look because I know a lot of you guys are going back to school this coming August. Kasi nga, some of the universities here in the Philippines are starting their classes in August. So, ayun, super excited ako. Ang awkward lang kasi August, kakasanayan natin June. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, first, every time mag-makeup ako, nag-start ako sa kilay. I don't know you guys if nag-start kayo ng base, but I love starting with the kilay kasi sobrang tagal niyang gawin and I feel like yung base ko nagme-melt na siya. So, I'm going to start with my kilay. So, it's up to you guys kung saan nyo lang talaga gusto mag-start. So, I'm going to share some, products na madali lang hanapin sa counter ng malls because I know students like you guys, wala tayong budget for makeup. So, I'm going to share this to you, the Niche Shadow eyebrow pencil. This was 100 pesos and in the shade medium brown. I love the packaging of the Niche Shadow, guys. Look at that. Nagbago na sila. Nung una, ginagamit ko pa lang yung gantong kulay ng Niche Shadow and mas mura din yun. Nasasayangan ako dito. That's 100 pesos pero wala pa tong screen. Yan, dal-dal na naman. So let's start with Sina. Those are done. I know hindi pa yan perfect. Nilinisin ko pa yan later. So, let's move on. Okay, so let's move on to foundation, to our base. So, I'm going to use the Dream Velvet Foundation from Maybelline. Maybe it's Maybelline. Shake, 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 shake. Alam niyo guys, yung skin ko, hindi na talaga siya match. Kasi nga, I do a lot of traveling this past few months and sobrang itim ko na yung mga foundation ko. Hindi na siya nagmamatch yung skin ko. So, sad life. At gagawin paraan para lang talaga mag-match itong foundation na ito. Kasi alam mo naman, wala akong perang pambili. That's the truth. Wala tayong perang pambili, kaya kailangan i-match. Blend and may tigyawat akong malaki dito. Ang sakit-sakit nito. Kita nyo naman ang puti-puti ng mukha ko. Gano'n ako salita. Okay na ako sa coverage na yan. And then, let's move on to concealer. Kasi nga, nakikita nyo ba yan? You need to conceal that. And then, ito, kasi ang shakat na ito, mga discoloration niya sa mukha. And, yan, yung discoloration sa mukha. Lagyan mo din, girl. Ganyan, karami ang discoloration. Ayun! So, yes, after blending, you're gonna set your face. And I'm going to use the Mary Sun Long Lasting Powder. SPF 30+++. So, yan. Yung gagamitin ko. Bango talaga nito. Amoy matanda. Set ko lang siya. Amoy matanda talaga, guys. Laki ng mukha ko. After that, I'm going to clean my eyebrows using this liquid, everybody na liquid concealer. Get it again with the powder. Ganda ka, ganda? Ganda? Sakat na pa ako. Wait. And of course, after doing your base, ito ng favorite part natin guys. We're going to contour our face to give back to life. But reality, gusto mo lang talaga lumit yung mukha mo. And of course, dahil nga, summer, of course, nag-gym ka, girl. Pero totoo, kain na kain. Lamon ng lamon. I'm going to use the LOL brow powder. This is a brow powder, guys. But I use it as a concealer. Naloka nga ako brow powder, pero yung kasamang, ano niya dito, yung kasama niyang brush is yung pang eyeshadow. Like, brow powder ba talaga to? Ha? LOL? Ano ba talaga? So, this one is only, ano lang to, 100 plus 109. Sobrang mura lang talaga nito, guys. Per 99. Something like that. Super mura lang talaga, guys. So, yan. Ginagamit ko to pang contour. Kasi, kita nyo ba yung mukha na yan? I know. Malaki siya. Yan. Tap, tap, tap. And then, blend it. Alam niyo naman siguro mag-contour, diba? I know, guys, at first, takot akong mag-contour. Nakakaloka. Paano kasi pag, what if nilagay ko siya sa maling, lugar, and sobrang strict niya. I mean, sobrang harsh niya. See? Kita niyo bang difference, guys? Sa mukhang may contour. Walang contour, may contour. Mukha lang itong maliit kasi walang lights dyan. So, ito yung may contour at ito yung wala. Ganyan tayo. Bak, bak, bak. Bak! Contour pala. Salita na naman. Salita. Favorite part 2. You know? Tsaka dito, girl, lagyan mo, girl. Kapag katulad ka, parang may dadating na dyan na airplane. Lagyan mo, girl. Cute. Feeling cute ka, pero hindi mo talaga. Improvised. And of course, I'm going to use the same powder, but I'm going to use the lightest. I-apply ko siya on the bridge of my nose. Kasi wala tayo doon. Lagay ko din dito kasi sobrang kamatis. Tapos ng ilong mo. Sino yan? And same powder, guys. After contouring, ginagamit ko siya for my eyeshadow. You need to put eyeshadow like cream. You don't need to put eyeshadow. But as you can see, paulit-ulit na lang talaga yan. I just put a little bit of shade. Ito yung ginagamit ko. Mascara. Uy! from Maybelline, the Hyper Curl Mascara. I know you guys heard a lot about it. And now let's move on to blush. So I'm going to use this one as my blush. See that? Woo! And malapit na tayo, guys. So best part also, the highlighter. This one is from Ashley, guys. I love this highlighter. Para kasi kung basta, matalaw siya makuha. And I applied it here. Here. Of course, here. Matalaw highlight here. And this is such a big difference. Put something here on your inner corners, like mabango lang. Blang blang. It's time for the lipstick. Here's my lipstick. What lipstick should I use? So first, I'm going to use my Revlon lipstick. I'm just going to apply that on the on the inner corners, inner part of my lips, like that. And then I'm going to use my Everbelena Advanced lipstick. This is in the Mink Mauve shade, and I love this one. Super fresh. And that's it. So we're done. And now we're done. So I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below, anything you want. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button down below, and yes, the subscribe button also, guys, the red one, the red. Yes, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye! So today's video, I am going to share the my gosh, I know. So for today's video, it's not different because